Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a black gel liner that's creamy and is completely smudge proof and waterproof. If you want to see how I make this gel liner, then keep watching. Okay, so first I will be adding isododecane to the bowl. Next, I'm adding the flake resin. And I'm just stirring it a little to prevent it from clumping. And then I'm going to let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes to dissolve on its own. And now I'm adding kaolin clay. And I'm just going in with my stick blender to mix up the kaolin clay, because kaolin clay sometimes has a tendency to clump up and leave like little specks in the formula, and we don't want that. So I'm just using my stick blender to make sure the kaolin clay has been dispersed evenly and there's no clumps. And now I'm adding my hydrogenated polyisobutene. Next, I'm adding microcrystalline wax. And I just went ahead and melted the wax off camera. Next, I'm adding the black oxide, and then I'm going to go ahead and mix this up with my stick blender again. So now I'm adding my gel liner to my jar, and then I'm going to let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to let it sit in the refrigerator for about another 15 minutes. And here is me doing the swatch again. I'm not using the proper brush for the eyeliner, but as you can see, it's still applying very smooth and creamy. Once it dries down, it does not move at all. As you can see, I'm like really rubbing my finger against it and it's not moving at all. And now I'm about to take some water. I'm spraying some water on it right now, and it does not come off at all. Right now I'm applying isododocane on my arm. When you wipe it off with isododocane, it comes right off. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment letting me know what you think, and thank you guys for watching.